Welcome to Healing Supplements. Today we're diving deep into one of nature's most well-known and beloved herbs, chamomile. If you've ever enjoyed a soothing cup of chamomile tea, you already know how calming it can be. Chamomile has been used for centuries to help people sleep better, improve digestion, and even boost their immune systems. By the end of this video, you'll understand why chamomile is more than just a bedtime drink. It's a powerful supplement that can improve various aspects of your health. So, let's get started. Before we get into all the amazing things chamomile can do for you, let's take a step back and answer a basic question. What exactly chamomile? In simple terms, chamomile is an herb. It comes from the flowers of the Asteraceae plant family. There are two main types of chamomile used medicinally, German chamomile and Roman chamomile. German chamomile, is the type you'll most commonly find in teas and supplements. It's what gives chamomile its classic calming effect. Then there's Roman chamomile, known scientifically as. This variety is often used in essential oils and has a slightly different chemical composition. Chamomile has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, going all the way back to the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. Let's be honest, in today's fast-paced world, who couldn't use a better night's sleep? That's where chamomile comes in like a warm, soothing hug for your brain. Chamomile is a natural relaxant. This incredible effect is largely due to a powerful antioxidant found in chamomile called apigenin. Apigenin works by binding to certain receptors in your brain, regulating sleep. Studies have shown that drinking chamomile tea before bed can actually improve sleep quality. People who regularly drink chamomile tea often report waking up feeling more refreshed and less groggy. Who wouldn't want that? Now let's talk about stress and anxiety. Chamomile acts like a gentle buffer against the stresses of daily life. It helps take the edge off, so you can face challenges with a calmer, clearer mind. Studies have shown that chamomile extract can be beneficial for people with generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD. Imagine experiencing fewer panic attacks, less worry, and a greater sense of overall well-being. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, reach for a cup of chamomile tea. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it can make. Now, let's move on to something we all experience: digestion. Chamomile isn't just good for your mind, it's a friend to your gut as well. Chamomile possesses incredible anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, soothing the digestive system. It helps to relax those muscles, reducing cramps, spasms, and that uncomfortable bloated feeling. If you're prone to indigestion, chamomile can be a lifesaver. It helps to neutralize excess stomach acid, preventing that burning sensation. Chamomile's digestive benefits extend to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. While it can't cure IBS, it can significantly improve the quality of life for those who suffer from it. Try drinking a cup of chamomile tea after meals to promote better digestion and ease any discomfort. Let's face it, nobody enjoys getting sick. Chamomile can help strengthen your immune system, making you less susceptible to those pesky germs. Chamomile is packed with antioxidants which fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken your immune system. Chamomile also contains powerful antibacterial properties. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can be a great way to give your immune system a boost, especially during cold and flu season. It's like giving your body a fighting chance against those nasty bugs. Now let's talk about something near and dear to many of us: our skin. Chamomile isn't just good for what's going on inside your body, it's amazing for your skin too. Chamomile can work wonders on a variety of skin conditions, from eczema to acne to general irritation. If you suffer from eczema, chamomile can help soothe that inflammation and reduce itching. And if acne is your nemesis, chamomile can help fight off the bacteria that contribute to breakouts. Even if you don't have a specific skin condition, chamomile can be beneficial. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation, while its antimicrobial properties help keep your skin clean and clear. You can find chamomile in a variety of skincare products, or try applying a cooled chamomile tea bag directly to irritated areas of skin. Now let's talk about something critically important: your heart health. Chamomile is a good source of flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants linked to improved heart health. Flavonoids work by protecting your blood vessels from damage, lowering blood pressure, and reducing bad cholesterol levels. While chamomile shouldn't replace a healthy diet and exercise, incorporating it into your routine can support your cardiovascular system. By sipping on a cup of chamomile tea, you're potentially giving your heart a little TLC. Now, let's talk about something that affects millions of people worldwide. Blood sugar control. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial, especially for those with diabetes. Some studies suggest that chamomile may help lower blood sugar levels, making it a potential natural aid for those with diabetes. Chamomile may work by improving insulin function. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and when it's not functioning properly, it can lead to elevated blood sugar. While chamomile shouldn't replace traditional diabetes medication or treatment, it's a promising natural option that warrants further investigation. Chamomile may also help prevent complications related to high blood sugar. Now ladies, let's talk about something we know all too well: menstrual pain and cramps. Chamomile may offer some much-needed relief. Chamomile works by relaxing the muscles in the uterus, which are responsible for those painful contractions we experience as cramps. Drinking chamomile tea regularly, especially in the days leading up to your period, may help reduce the severity of cramps. It's like a gentle hug for your uterus, easing those painful spasms. So, the next time you're dreading your period because of cramps, reach for a cup of chamomile tea. It might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Finally, let's talk about something we often take for granted: our oral health. Maintaining good oral hygiene is essential, not just for a bright smile, but for overall health. Chamomile possesses antibacterial properties that can help prevent gum disease and infections. Gum disease is a common problem that can lead to tooth loss if left untreated. Chamomile's antibacterial action helps to keep harmful bacteria in check, protecting your gums and teeth. You can incorporate chamomile into your oral hygiene routine by using chamomile tea as a natural mouth rinse. This can help soothe inflamed gums, freshen breath, and promote a healthy oral environment. Chamomile is more than just a soothing herbal tea. It's a powerful natural remedy that offers a wide range of health benefits. From promoting better sleep to supporting digestion, heart health, and even skin care, there are so many reasons to consider adding chamomile to your daily routine. Chamomile is generally safe and well tolerated by most people. I have an excellent source if you are interested in buying this product. You can see the link in the comments below the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was informative. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on future health and wellness videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.